Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are doing project number 1, which is this one here of the Memorable Meadows paper pumpkin kit. So I've got my card base, I've got my little wooden tree, I've got the Have a Beautiful Birthday, and and my piece of gorgeous grape vellum. So I also need one of these. And I've got my garden green stamp spot. So I'm going to ink up the stamp. And then I'm going to just do a test stamp to make sure I've got good coverage. And that looks lovely. So we'll ink it up again. And then we can just stamp this down right in the middle of that die cut. There we go, and we'll pop that up. And you'll notice I've got the color written on the bottom of the stamp spot. That's because I store them upside down, so then I can see the color easily. Okay, so we've got that done. Now the card, I just finger folded it, but what we're going to do is we're going to take the rounded edge of our block and we're just going to use it like a bone folder to make that crease a little crisper. The only thing you should have to add to the kit is maybe a pair of scissors. So we've got that done. Now we need to take our vellum and our wood tree, and we need to put adhesive dots on the back of the tree and of the vellum, and that came off without the spot or the glue dot. So let's do that. Oh, it does not want to peel off that one. Okay, so okay, again, not peeling off. So I'm just going to see if I can roll it onto my finger. There we go. So we've got that. Let's see if we can roll that one, and it goes right here. Okay, now let's see if maybe if I roll this off a little bit differently, I can get the whole glue dot. There we go. And then this one goes down here like this, and we can peel that back off. Put those over here. I'm just moving my tray a little bit closer. And the vellum, we also need 3 glue dots across the back of the vellum. So let's peel that off, put the glue dot down like that, and like that. Whoops. Stuck to the finger. There we go. Okay, I'm going to take the backings off of these ones like that, and then this one's almost off anyway. There we go. Okay, so what do we need to do next? We need to put the vellum down. Let's make sure we've got the front of the card, and we're placing this kind of in the middle at the bottom, kind of like this, just kind of in line with that little bit of beach or whatever it is there. So we're putting that down like that. Then we're going to take the tree and we're going to put it like this. There we go, just like that. Okay, now we're going to take our dimensionals and we're going to put them on the back of the greeting. But as you can see, there's only dimensionals in the middle and on the one side. So we're going to put a dimensional in the middle and on the one side, and that's because it's going to sit up on top of the tree. So there we go. And we're going to pop this kind of right in the middle like this. There we go. And those dimensionals a push. And then we need to take our sequins. We need 1 large and 4 small, and it looks like the large one goes right about here, and then we have a small one that goes up over here, another small one that goes here, and then 2 small ones down here like that. So that is our first card using the Paper Pumpkin March 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for project number 2.